Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by moving your phone within 3 meters of the Wi-Fi router to ensure a strong signal. Check the router status lights and confirm the device indicates power and internet. Verify if your router broadcasts to 4 GHz or 5 GHz and choose the appropriate band. Find the exact SSID name and the Wi-Fi password. Pay attention to uppercase letters, symbols, and numbers when reading the password. Keep the router manual or label handy for the default admin details. Open Settings on your phone and tap Wi-Fi to open the network list. Toggle the Wi-Fi switch on so your phone scans for available SSIDs. Look for your exact SSID and tap it to start connection. Enter the Wi-Fi password exactly and then tap Connect or Join. If the router supports WPS, press the WPS button for about 5 seconds and use the WPS option on your phone. After a successful connection, verify internet access in your browser or app. If connection fails, reboot the router and your phone and then wait 30 seconds. On your phone, choose the network, tap Forget, and then reconnect by entering the password again. Check for common errors like wrong password, IP conflict, or disabled DHCP on the router. Log into the router admin page and update firmware if it is outdated. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on the router. Then reconfigure SSID and password carefully and reconnect your phone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.